Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Fanbasis. In order to do so, head over to fanbasis.com and let's just take a look here at the homepage to find out what Fanbasis is all about. It is the operating system for modern digital businesses. All-in-one software to run high-ticket, high-margin digital businesses, everything from checkout to fulfillment with built-in financing, premium payments, and enterprise grade scale. And you can book a demo call here. So in order to get started, you may need to book a demo call. You can see here what you will expect with the dashboard, top features, custom dashboards, 7+ BNPL providers, shareable payment links, flexible financing, checkout funnels, online payments, crypto payments, automated fulfillment, and more. High trust infrastructure for high growth businesses. If you're selling knowledge, experience, or services online, Fanbasis was built to run your business end to end. From payments to fulfillment, it's everything you need to sell smarter, get paid faster, and scale without limits. You can unlock end-to-end growth tools from hosting products to processing payments, all in one powerful platform. Accept payments with confidence and get reliable payouts for you and your affiliates, backed by infrastructure built to protect your revenue at every step. From real-time dashboards and embedded BNPL to dedicated automation and growth specialists, Fanbasis treats your business like the serious operation it is. We're not a tool, we're the stack. Most platforms stop at checkout. Fanbasis is a full-stack business infrastructure powering the next generation of internet entrepreneurs. Powerful payment tools optimized for conversions, all the tools your business needs to maximize its revenue. Shareable payment links, subscription, upsells and OTOs, order bumps, in-house payment plans, smart payment routing, free trials, maximum speed, fully integrated payment and financing options. And you can see a variety of the different payment options that they offer here. Glowing testimonials that speak volumes. So we have a variety of testimonials you could take a look at, rated 4.95 out of 5 by over 1,000 users. How we compare other platforms, get you started, we help you scale. So you can see here comparison with other companies, not telling us which companies there are, but that gives you some idea anyways. Connect with all your favorite tools. You can see a list of everything there. Start scaling with infrastructure you can trust. Tens of thousands of sellers who have generated billions of dollars in revenue trust Fanbasis to power their business. So if you want to get started with Fanbasis, just head over to fanbasis.com and you'll want to book a demo call in order to get started. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.